Hello, I'm Sakina Rizvi and I'm here to discuss the impact of US tariffs on steel and aluminium. Year 2025, on 1st February, the Trump administration imposed a 25% tariff on Canadian and Mexican imports, along with a 10% additional tariffs on imports from China. Then on February 2nd, Canada and Mexico responded to US tariffs by imposing their own tariffs on American imports. 2 days later, on February 4th, China joined in by imposing tariff on selected American products. After this, on 10th February 2025, the United States made a bold move. President Donald Trump announced a 25% tariff on steel and aluminium imports with no exceptions or exemptions. This decision aims to boost domestic industries but could also spark a global trade war. Let's understand how this affects the US, its trade partners, and India. The US is one of the largest consumers of steel, with demand expected to reach around 90 million tons in 2024 and exports around 9 million tons. But here's the catch. Domestic production only meets about 80 million tons of demand. To bridge the gap, the US relies heavily on imports, which were 22 million tons in 2024 alone. Let's break down where it all came from. According to Bigmin data, Canada led the way, supplying 5.5 million tons or 25% of total US steel imports. Brazil followed with 3.3 million tons, accounting for 15%. Mexico contributed 2.5 million tons, making up 12%. South Korea supplied 2.5 million tons or 11%. Vietnam provided 1.1 million tons, representing 5% of total imports. Other countries collectively supplied 7.2 million tons of steel, making up 32% of US imports. Combined, the US imported a total of 22 million tons of steel in 2024. Together, the top 5 countries, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, South Korea, and Vietnam, account for 68% of total imports. This shows that the US depends on many different trading partners. Now, let's talk about aluminium. The US produced around 4.27 million tons of aluminium in 2024. To meet additional demand, the US imported 5.72 million tons. Here are the top suppliers of aluminium to the US in 2024. According to Bigmin data, Canada dominated, supplying 3.15 million tons or 55% of total US aluminium imports. The UAE contributed 0.44 million tons, accounting for 8%. China supplied 0.21 million tons, making up 4%. South Korea provided 0.20 million tons, representing 3.5%. Bahrain contributed 0.18 million tons or 3% of total imports. Other countries collectively supplied 1.54 million tons of aluminium, making up 27% of total US imports. Canada dominates here too, with a 55% share in the US aluminium imports basket. The top 5 countries, Canada, the UAE, China, South Korea, and Bahrain, account for 73% of total imports. Although the tariffs apply to imports from all countries, Canada will be the most impacted by far, as the US imports a larger amount of steel and aluminium from here compared to any other country. So, how does this affect India? Surprisingly, not much, at least directly. In 2024, India exported just 0.23 million tons of steel to the US, a mere 3% of its total steel exports. Similarly, only 0.15 million tons of India's 2.4 million tons of aluminium exports went to the US. India's minimal exposure to the US market means the new tariffs will have a negligible direct impact. However, there's still a risk of indirect effects, such as increased global competition and market pressures. Could India secure an exemption? There's hope. In 2019, India imposed retaliatory tariffs on 28 US products, leading to a trade resolution. With Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi heading to the US for discussions, India's strategic ties might help negotiate an exception. But the outcome remains uncertain. Now, war impact on China. China, the world's top steel exporter, shipped only 0.89 million tons to the US in 2024, just 0.8% of its total exports. Going forward, the road ahead is uncertain. Trump's tariffs are set to take effect on March 4, 2025 and could disrupt global trade. For India, the focus will be on navigating market pressures and leveraging trade negotiations. While the direct impact may be minimal, the ripple effects could reshape the global steel and aluminium markets. As the world watches these developments unfold, one thing is clear. The US decision will have far-reaching consequences. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to Big Mint to stay informed and keep an eye on how the story evolves.